Hello, my name is Pranay and welcome to Jolt Point, the only stop where your EV can get energy. So first and foremost, I will demonstrate how to locate nearby Jolt Point station by using your mobile application. And further, I am going to show you how to charge your EV by using the Jolt Point station. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's begin with the mobile application to find the nearby Jolt Point station and have a look at the app interface and how the app works. Let's have a look. So here is the app interface look, which is detailed and minimal. Over here you will get all type of chargers with the details and available chargers also, and you have the port icons over here, and you can also find the charging stations by using the map services by turn on in the location services. And over here you will get the detailed map review where the chargers are available. By pressing any one of the charger, you will get the charger details. Right over here you can see this is the charger which is beside me, and you will have a detailed information over here like tariff, capacity, type, speed, and which port does the charger has. Underneath you will get the charger address, and below that you will get the main section. You can charge your EV by amount, by kilowatt, or either you can do full charge of your EV. So this is the information. When you tap on any charger, you will get this type of information and available status also. And otherwise, when you went directly to the station, you can scan the QR code which is present on the charger. So by scanning that, you will get the entire information of the charger. Now we have covered the mobile application, so let's charge our EV by using the Jolt Point. So let's have a look at the charger in detail. On the charger you will get a neat graphics over here like electric vehicle charging station. You can easily identify the charging station while you are on the road. So let's have a look at the upper part of the charger. At center you will get Jolt Point sticker labeling. Right on top over here you will get a small TFT touchscreen display by through we can access the details. And right to that you will get a QR code scanner, and right corner you will get NFC tag. Over that you will get an emergency stop button. And at the left side of the charger you will get the charger name, and completely top you will get the charging indicator. When it is in green, that means the charger is available to charge. So this is the light indication, and at the right side you will get the charger gun. So let's charge our EV by using the Jolt Point station. I am going to scan the QR code which is present on the charger to get the charger details. So now I am going to charge my EV by using the kilowatt method. I am selecting 1 kilowatt and pressing start charging. So now we have to connect our charging gun to our EV. The same information is given on the charger display right over here. So now you need to take the charging gun from the charger and connect to your EV. It is just like you connect your mobile with your charging cable. So it's that simple to connect. After connecting the charging gun to the charging port, on the TFT display of the charger, you will get the entire information right over here. You will get charging time, output voltage, current SOC, and power consumption, and current status, charging stations. This all information is given in the detailed format. And otherwise you need to stop your charging, you can simply press the stop charging button over here, or otherwise you can press this emergency exit button. After completion of our charging, you will get a pop-up message on your mobile. Now you can have a cup of coffee while your automobile gets charged. Now let's have a look at the type of chargers that are offered by the Jolt Point. There are three types of chargers. Namely, first one is the DC charger which has a capacity of 30 kilowatts, and it comes with the port of CCS2 type of port, and this charger is only for the four-wheeler. And now let's talk about the second type of charger, which is AC charger, and it has a capacity of 7 kilowatts of charging capacity, and it has a type 2 port right over here. You can see it, and it is only for the four-wheeler. This type of port is called type 2 port. So let's talk about the third type of charger, which is Bharat charger. Over here you can charge your both two-wheeler and four-wheeler at a time, and it has a capacity of 10 kilowatts. And this charger has a 3-pin sockets to connect our portable chargers which will come with our vehicle. To directly we can connect, insert in it, and we can regularly charge our vehicle like in our home. These are the chargers that are offered by the Jolt Point, and you might be wondering why should consider Jolt Point over the other options. So let me answer that question. Jolt Point provides you best convenient process, affordable prices, and third one is fast charging. So these are the features that are offered by the Jolt Point to consider over the other options, and we are rapidly increasing our network to reach your needs regarding EV charging. So this is all about the Jolt Point. I am Pranay signing out. Be safe, drive safe.